Riri ministry ya githomo yambikite mitaratara ya gutigirira ciana ciothe iria kirekeranio gya KCPE gya kirathi gya kanana mwaka muhituku ni ciingira mathukuru-ini ma secondary. Riu gikundi kia ELIMU BORA working group NIGIUKIRIIRE thirikari gikiuga ndikoretwo ikirekereria mbeca ihinda riria riagiriire niguo kuhotithia mathukuru kuheana mathomo. Makiaria na andikia mohoro warugamiria gikundi giki maugite thirikari no ciiraniro mama ikoretwo nacio cia kugacirithia githomo hatari na ciiko.
There seems to be no well thought out remedy to help fix many challenges affecting our education system. There are missteps and our education sector is running into ruins. Examples abound and it appears no one in this regime cares to sort this mess.
Makiaria ciĩgiĩ itanya rĩa gũtigĩra ciana ciothe iria irarĩkirie kĩrathi gĩa kanana nĩ ciaingĩra kĩrathi kĩa form 1 maugĩte ikinya rĩrĩ rĩahota gũthararia gĩkĩro gĩa gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuona ona gũtirĩ na arutani a kũigana gũthomithia ciana ici mathukuru-inĩ ma secondary.
Despite the constitutional mandate for free and compulsory basic education, over 130 students out of the 1.4 who took the KCPE in 2023 cannot access form 1 due to financial constraints. President William Ruto championed the Presidential Working Party in education reforms as a solution to the challenges in our education sector. However, concerns raised by MPs recently suggest a lack of clear policy and legal framework to implement the Working Party's recommendations.
Riu gikundi giki nikiuritie kumbwo gwa kigina gya kuramata githomo guku bũrũri-inĩ niyo National Education Fund niguo kuhotithia ciana ciothe kwigwatĩra githomo gya secondary ta ũrĩa gatiba ya bũrũri yendekithĩtie.
We also take note of the multiple public bursary streams controlled by political leaders, leading to biased funds allocation. This occurs amid these parents' struggle as they strive to secure financial assistance to support their children's education.
Ginyanagia na riu kuri na ciana nyingi itahotete kuingira kirathi kia form 1 kumana na wagi wa mbeca makiria kuma kuri family iria itehotete guothe bũrũri-inĩ.